Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this quick and simple Modern Warfare trophy guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Precognitive Paranoia trophy for Modern Warfare 2's campaign. Now this is very simple. You want to load into the very first mission, SSDD, and you want to reach the second part. This is the part where you shoot targets. But instead of going on and shooting these targets, you just want to wait and spawn, and essentially Shepard will be right in front of you and you just want to shoot him. This of course is a non-canon trophy and is similar to one in Modern Warfare Remastered where you killed Makarov. Essentially it's a trophy for preventing Modern Warfare 2 in a sense. Anyways guys, I hope this trophy guide was very simple and easy for you to understand. I have been Newbie and I'll see you all next time.